Today I've started making the donkey from the Christmas Surprise by Sarah Peel at CoolCrafting, and I've made the head, and I'll show you so far. There he is. Isn't he gorgeous? I haven't put the eyes on yet, and I've just stuffed him, and yeah, he does look lovely. You've got pleats here either side, then you've got this fur that goes all the way around the back, and then you've got this muzzle bit here, and there's some pleats here for the nostrils, and then there's some darts under here just to bring it in, and then you gather it. So I'll put some video up of me making it. I've made a start on the donkey. So yeah, so you've got 2 pages of pattern pieces in the kit, and I photocopied those so that I can keep this as for reference, and rather than tracing, I photocopied them, and then I've started cutting them out. Now I haven't cut out the fur yet because I didn't want it to fray, so I'm going to wait till I'm actually got to that stage and then cut it. But all the I'll insert a picture of the layout I did of the felt, but I've done all the felt pieces. They're all cut out and raring to go. So what you've got to remember is that some of them you need 4 of, and some you only need 2 of, and some you only need 1 of. So you need to read the pattern carefully. And that's the little bit that goes on the eye. That's a slight different colour, and I haven't cut that. I've laid it out, but I haven't cut it out yet because that, again, I don't want it to fray, so I'm going to wait till I'm actually using those bits. Right, as you can see, I didn't show you how I was doing this, but this is the cutout. And what you do is you have this dart here, which you pull in and do as a proper dart. And that is the bit, that is the half that goes under there. That part of the nose goes down there. And the top part of the nose, this bit is the nostril. And what they tell you to do is just to pull it over so the two lines match. Gives you that nostril bit when it's on there. I don't know if you can see. That gives you the nostril bit. And this is just the normal dart that goes down. So that is one half of the nose, and you cut this on the fold. And there, and you can see there's the nostril either side. But yes, he is lovely. The rest of the body, I think, is, although this is all machine sewn, so it's probably slightly bigger than the previous patterns, it's pretty straightforward and put together very similar to some of the other characters with the buttons in the arms and the legs. So yeah, so that's it. But yes, it's just the head that's probably a bit more fiddly, getting it all right. But yeah, I'm really pleased. He looks lovely so far.